This lecture will offer you to learn website designing. We'll initiate the lectures now. First of all, I would like to share my screen here. This is my screen. I hope you are all are familiar to see this. For installation of code like HTML editor, I'm suggesting you to Sublime Text Editor, which is a very easy and convenient to write a programs of HTML related, the IDE. So spell it as Sublime Text 3 or Sublime Text Download. Hit on Google, you will see here Sublime Text, download Sublime Text. Click the link, you will see the link of download of the Sublime Text Editor, where you can simply download based on your operating system environment. You choose the download of your version. Like if you are using OS X, choose here, and if you are in Windows, you can choose here. And based on operating system, like 32-bit version is there, and 64-bit version is also available in most of the computer systems, maybe computer like laptop or desktop, whatever. Based on your operating system, you have to choose the version of any software bundle. And the Linux repos, based on your repo and the OS architecture, you have to choose it is in a 64-bit or 32-bit. All right. Once you downloaded this particular software, download it and install in your computer system by making double click and click next to finish the software installation, which is a very much pretty easy. Once it is completed, see, I'm opening what is in my computer system. Once it is completed the installation of Sublime Text Editor, just go through here in start button. Find it. Here you will find that your installed software of Sublime Text Editor. Open, and I'm simply saying that open the Sublime Text Editor. See, Sublime Text Tree. Yes. It will be opened by you in a plain page. It will open in your computer system. Going to close this all the things. It will be opens like this. Here, very simply, what you need to do is very simply, wherever you want to create a simple folder called, just simply I am taking in a desktop here, or else you can choose your local drives, C or D or whatever at you convenient, and there what you do is just right click and go to new and create a folder. It is so called, it's in a project folder. I'm simply saying that we are grouping all the things into a single folder. We can call it as it's in a project. Like one for a particular client, we are going to preparing a website. We make it as an all the things into a single folder. We can call it as this particular project and this particular client's project. Similarly, if any more users or any more other persons or other clients website or any other our personal blog we are going to preparing, we need to create one more folder. We can call it as and name it as some other project name, which is the easiest, and we are grouping the things into a simple relevant project relevant documents into a single and common place. Let's see here. I make it as a demo project. This is called so-called it is a demo. My project. My project name is this one, and this project folder I'm going to like calling here in my Sublime Text Editor. Where I have saved here this in desktop, open desktop place only. Now see here project, and now open like add folder to project. Here it is there, save workspace, open project. You go to here, desktop demo project, it is there. The desktop, once you select the desktop, it is a demo project. Open it. Yeah, just a second. New project. Click to switch projects and open. Now open folder, project preferences, we have to go. And there is a no page at all. So it is getting like let me create one HTML form there. You see, very simply what I am doing here, file, new, there is a new untitled tab is displaying here. And see, I am saving by pressing Control S, Control key plus S. It's opening a new window called it as a save as. All right. Or else file, when I'm opening a new tab, I'm going to saving. This is a very much pretty important for beginners and who are starters in HTML. Like any file which is going to be like a HTML form, what you need to do is file, save as. Okay, save as, or else you just press save and take in a desktop demo project what I have created now in the project folder. And this demo project, you specify the name as like if it is on a startup page, you may take it as an index.html is an extension. And most of the people, they may have some information about the HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language. Very simply, it is a hypertext markup language. They can use to presenting data in the form. All right. Now the name of my file is index dot with the extension of .html. I have a pressing by save. Now you see here the tab name is changed to index.html. Now the game starts now. Very simply, who are not familiar while writing the code in HTML or any, you just press less than, pressing the shift key plus less than HTML. The editor is follows you and it will show you what to be typed with the help of alphabetical order. The code it will be shown, which will comes into the all H. If you press HT, what is comes with the HTML, like that all the things will be filtered itself. The code will do that of you, the editor. And you can just press HT and you see no that the HTML, and then you can press tab. See how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. The code editor itself it is written. I didn't write written anything. So called it is very much easy. And I'm not restricting you to use any other editor means like Notepad++ is there, and Visual Studio Code is there, and NetBeans is there, and Dreamweaver is there. These all are editors. Yes, still right now, if you are familiar with any of these editors, you can use it and you can write the HTML program with ease. If you are already comfortable with your existing editor, if you are not, and if you are beginner in this code and HTML in the IT like development of web pages, try to practice either Sublime Text Editor or Visual Studio Code, which is the most advanced and modern code editors, which will give you and guide you, suggest you more options how easy to write the code languages like this. And it will always give you more suggestions which you want to convenient and want to choose. All right. This is the basic syntax of the HTML form. It will show you. Now see, I'm not writing anything here. Simply welcome, hello, world. Welcome, hello world I have written here. Within the body, I have written. Why within the body? I'll tell you. Just a second, give me a moment. And the body, and just save it. Right click on any open place here. Just simply right click, open in browser. The HTML local itself, it does not require any web server. It will be by defaultly, it's in your local web form itself, it will run and it will show you the code output, what it is required. Now see here, right click on anyway open place and open in browser. Now let's see here. See, the browser is showing. Yes, welcome, hello world. Wow, congratulations you, as you have initiated index.html form. You are happily seeing that welcome program as well. See, I am able to see here it's a welcome hello world text only. Have you seen any other than these tags? We can tell it as it's a tags. We didn't see any. Plain HTML within the body, what I have written with the text only I am able to see. That is the beauty of HTML form. And the tags and all, why require me to propagate and assign and align the text data in a web page. We all require all these things. Now let's see one by one how it is easy. See, it's not doc type HTML. First, at the beginning of the tag, it will indicate this is the HTML form is HTML5 document. In HTML, we have in a versions of HTML 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is the latest, and modern web browsers which are supporting controls are available in HTML5. The HTML form 5 document to be understand, yes, it is an HTML5. They have introduced a tag called not doc type HTML. If you pressed these things here, it will be shown like a very simply, and it will be give you more to be understanding all the controls and elements which are used in HTML5 document. And here the HTML basic syntax of the beginning of the page and ending of the page HTML tags to be there to identify all the elements in HTML5 documents. Consider it is an HTML form. Now head tag, this is so called, it is in tags. The tag will have less than and greater than, which is the name of the tag name, and similarly it is an open tag, and it is in a forward slash with the same tag name, which is called it is an end tag. So called strongly remember, and within the HTML tag we'll write all these stuff. One by one I'll explain you what it is going to be displaying here. Yeah. Now the head tag will concern with the about to head part, means all the titles and relevant heads and all. Like see here, and here it is in a title, and our page is displaying some title. It is an index.html. The tab title it is. Now see here, I am changing here to web development. Save it. Now save the page means once you have to written the code changes and you have to save it and reload the form. Like very simply right click on the refresh, or here it is in a button for refresh to aware and acquire the changes what happens in the code page. Very simple. And now see the title, it is showing it is in a web development itself here. Very simple and pretty easy. Once it is done, we can like if we are using any CSS. What is CSS? CSS means cascading style sheets. Whenever we want to making a beautification of our HTML form, to applying any design or colors, shadows, and changing the fonts. Some fonts are there where we can to apply. All these things will comes to know about CSS. CSS will help you where you can write a CSS at one form in a CSS with the extension of file name is .css, cascading style sheet, and use the same styles applicable for entire website and all the many, it may be thousand or lakhs of the forms. You can use a single CSS form. For applying by calling the external CSS, it will be done with your help of to applying a CSS. Similarly, JavaScript you can call it, where here in the head part. And the body part means, see, once you open these things, right? These things like from the browser, it is showing this all the part will comes under the body part. The body part will tell you what to be displayed as an end user and what they want to interact with our web page. All the things to be like the elements, we can simply say that, and the tags, we can say that. That can be possible and presenting here in a particular web page. And now see here, I would like to tell you here very simple and easy tips for you to quick start and jump start to do more activities. Very simply, and it's very easy to understand and to be making a very simple website behalf of yourself. How it is pretty easy. Let's see here. You go through like some basics you want to learn by applying a W3 schools is there. Very easy. Yeah, W3 schools. With these W3 schools, you will learn much knowledge. See here, what is the from the introduction, what are the tasks you want to learn, how to the usage, and all the things you will learn freely. You need not to pay. And from this, you can take the tags and you can practice one by one as you were wish to learn much more information. Once all the lectures has been done, you have a basic ideology how it is going to be done with your hands-on session. And once it is completed, like see here, go to Google, HTML, basic templates free download. You go through like CSS templates is there, HTML5 web templates is there. You choose anyone, which is anyone or templated but free CSS HTML5 responsive websites. Yes, I'll show you. I'll directly I'll show you any single template. I'll show you. Wow, this is the feature template and demo. We can see this and download it. And I hope it is enough free. Okay, most of the free templates are there ready-madely. You need not to buy for all and all. You just simply download and make it customization and you can use it. First of all, I would like to download this one only. Let's see here. Just click download. Yeah, industrious modern template. It is going to be downloading here. Yes. Yeah, click on download. Visit Plexi. Yeah, it is going to be downloaded. Till now, if you are not interested, like registered, go to the register chart box option is there for registration of our enrollment, like the basic details you are going to submit. If any further information which is accurate, we'll share with you. And also we have in complete lectures like web development and website developments and all at harisystems.com. Yeah, there you can avail n number of lectures are there predefinedly, which is available right now. Just go through it and subscribe this channel and avail. Press the bell icon to get more information with the relevant IT, relevant industrious topics you will get there. Yeah. I'm sharing with you like a group chat, or else you just type Harisystems on YouTube channel. Just simply type Harisystems, you will get the information. Yeah, our template is downloaded now here. You just go through the downloads and extract this folder very simply. Extract the folder. Template, we can call it as it is in a template. Okay, extract to, and it will ask you one folder. Yes, you go to extract here. Most of the persons you may aware of how to extract the things and all. This all will comes under the basics of computer operating system. Yeah. Once done the extract, you just go here. It's a download templated. It is there. Copy. I'm placing at my desktop here. Just templated that application. Now preferences, the projects, open the project, add folder to project. And the templated.io is select folder. Let's see here, templated.io. Just a second, I'm opening again. Where it is, templated industries index. Wow. So it's okay. It's okay. You will get it. Like open the project, you will get it all the things what your requirement to be collecting. Add a folder to project should be comes to save workspace, remove all folders from project. The open project should give us a provision. Unable to desktop templated, unable to ready. Yeah, when I press to switching, something it is saying some unregistered like that. It's okay. What you do is very simply go to open the template and right click here and open with Sublime Text Editor. Automatically open. Yeah, unable to read the project. Something it's getting some issues. Yeah, anyhow, we have got the project page here. And I hope it should come like how it is means. Yeah, now it is come. See here, add project to like a project, add folder to project. Now it is coming to the folder of project folders. Now here it is there in index.html. You can open it. Right. Now right click on open in browser. Wow, we got it. Even till now, I'm not written a single line of code. I'm able to get in a beautification of my website. Have you seen here? Very simple, very simple. I will show you like 100% of view. Yes, no, sorry. Yeah, this is an 100% of view. See how it is coming? Beautification of web page. If you know the basics of how to and where to write the HTML in initial tags, then you will be easily like see here, this is an HTML part, the open tag it is there, and go to the end, you will see the end tag of HTML. Have you seen? And before that body, within the body you will see all the things. See, within the body only you will get all the things. And Likewise, templates also you can prepare yourself. Here industrials it is there, and I can simply say that it is in a Harisystems. Yes, how it is easy. Let's see. Industrials, how it is, where it is, you can find out. Just replace with your customization names. That's it. Save it and reload. Yeah, it is a low icon. It is there here. You find here it is an icon I have changed right now. This one, left frame, Harisystems, and this one also I would like to change. How it is? Yes, I'll change it. You just copy this. You just copy and paste here and check it. And I'm going to search. Sorry, I'm going to searching where it is. It will come under carousel. Yeah, where is it? Well, do one thing. Control F. Control paste. Yes, here it is there. Banner. It comes under banner. Now the banner name also I'm changing. Harisystems. Take it. Yeah. Where is the browser? There's this one. Reload. Wow. Beauty. Am I did any changes of this? Nothing. And this is the text you can manage. Manage here. This is the text only. It is going to be displayed. Yes, you can change it. And this all comes under href links. The templated means this is the website URL. It is going to be redirecting. That is the purpose we'll use for a tag, which is called a tag, means a website link. Within the website, we are going to be preparing something like that. And templated, it is showing no. I'm changing my website name here to making and showing you how it is going to be changing and redirecting. Harisystems.com, www.harisystems.com, and I'm going to be adding something like it is going to be open new window. How it is possible? I'm making it as a target equal to BLAN. Okay. Yeah. Save it and go over here. See now where is the template here? There we have to click. And then see this one. Completed this one. Okay. If I click this one, see another new tab is open here, and it is going to be open here my website, harisystems.com. In this particular system, you will get much online courses, which are the offers we are going to be conducting. And also you can subscribe for updates, username and email only. We don't use any misuses of this. Any technical relevant information which would be updated in site would be notified only. And go to the tutorials. All the latest interview questions and answers you will get here. And not only the questions and answers, you will get all the lectures to done with the step-by-step options. And we have a launched coding for kids from the 6th standard onwards. The academic year 6th standard onwards, we are going to take in for coding for kids programs, initiating the age group of 6. Those who are familiar and who knows how to operate a computer system, they can avail this program. And now see here, and the student feedback, you will see how our lectures are going to be done. Yeah, the services and all. Yeah, come back to our lectures. You will find like the sections. And you will find with the different sections where you can simply edit the information of the text. As now you are familiar with that. And come to the pictures, how you are going to mapping and managing the pictures and video. Now let's see here. HTML5 will support video tag. The video tag autoplay, and it is going to be showing like under the images banner.mp4, that is in a video which is in the background, it is going to be showing. And now see, if you seen here, the background will be played like it will show you like effective affection. It will show you. I'll taking this URL to my like this page Chrome browser. Now see here, see how it is coming the effect. This is what. Likewise, you can customize the many things, and these are the cards you can simply display here very simply and very easily. And these are the interdrum gravida, you will get it. And the cards, how it is, very simply you can change your picture and the name what you want to display here with the text, don't you? And these are the footer, and you can make it as a customize the things. Thus, once it has happened, your site is ready. Elements, you go whatever at the page you want, you go it. Based on your requirements and the corrections, you make it as a very simple, easy freelancing HTML5 development of creation of a web page. Now, I would like to discuss you, and I would like to tell you like what I want to suggest you to making it a responsive and more responsive and beautification, how it is possible. Yes, it is very easy. Go to a latest modern framework of Bootstrap. Go to bootstrap.com. These are the most familiar, and you are going to building like fast, responsive sites with Bootstrap. It is saying itself. Find out here, it is saying it's there telling. And using this, you can make it as a very lightweight pages. Very lightweight pages means automatically your system performance will automatically it will increase. And even low latency bandwidth and very low internet connections, you will get your site and your app very easily and quickly. See here, the customized responsive mobile first sites with Bootstrap, the world most popular front-end open source toolkit. What I am discussing with you right now, and I am presenting with the editor and HTML by template and this Bootstrap, all are open source. You need not to pay for a single penny or a single rupee for it. And come to the picture of here, how we'll acquire and how we are going to be like get and install a Bootstrap. See here, there is an installation methods here. It is described. Yes, you are using npm and open source of Linux and Unix wise operating systems. You use it. And if you are in a Bootstrap CDN network, if you want to use, very simply, you just invoke these lines into your HTML form. How it is, I'll show you right now, no issue for it. And Bootstrap icons. These are the Bootstrap icons which you want to use in your website, wherever, to making a beautification of your page. And instead of writing, if you are applied an icon, will give you and will talk you more for your end users. By seeing the icon, they can easily understand it, what it is, how to read it. As an UI designer, as a web application developer or web page front-end designer, you should know what is the purpose of the icon is going to be using and try to apply more and more icons itself instead of writing all these things. And there is some I symbol would be there. When you are entering into the password, there is an I symbol is there. If you are press the I symbol, most of the like a Gmail or any of the login sites are going to be providing this option nowadays. You see there, instead of writing view more or view the text instead of writing, they are simply showing the I symbol with the dark color. If you press the I, means it's open the I, and it will be shown the hidden text and password symbols. What are the password you have entered till now? In such a way, you try to, as a UI design, more and more interactive, like a UI means the user to be more friendly. The page should be like a more friendly, and it require to more interactively. Should like the user who is accessing and trying to operating our page, he shouldn't like irritate himself. He wants to see more attractive. Such options you have to involve. It's very easy how to involve means. What you need to do is you need some exercises, which option that I can apply, and that particular option, how the function will happen, you have to try yourself. You have to assume it. As a coder, as a UI developer, you have to sit in front of your screen and you have to see what you will expect from the site that you need to provide. You need not to satisfy until you reach the goal. And this requirement, how it is means, the user can easily understand, can easily navigate, and can easily, with less time, he can complete what his requirements, and the much information you are going to be providing with a less space. Such way you have to think all these ways while preparing of HTML form. All right. Now see, very simple how which we are going to be integrating like Bootstrap into our form. I'll show you. Go to like here, it's in a documentation, it is there. Yes. Once you click the documentation, you go through like a starter template, it is there. You've seen here starter template. I'm not doing anything much more here. Just to see here in the right side, copy option is there. Just click on copy. Just I have clicked on copy. That's it. Okay. Go to our code editor. I'm going to open a new file freshly. I'm not interesting and I'm not involving any page. Freshly, I'm going to open, save it. Just simply what I have copied, I have saved here. And now save the form. This is the form I'm going to saving in my desktop called like what I can say that RGS responsive.html and name it. Save this and go to the browser, right click, open in browser. Yeah. Hello world, we have seen how this much of code lines are there. We are seeing only hello world. Why? And this is the hello world and we have written welcome hello world. Fonts are very big. It is applied a beautification of fonts as well. And now see here. Yeah, I'm going to show you. Yes. See how the beauty of the fonts. All right. See, let me explain you a few things about this functionality of involving Bootstrap here. Yes. See, as we discussed about these things and the tags we have seen. Now, the meta tag of viewport will offer you to making a web page into responsive. What is responsive? Why we require to use responsive? Yes, this is a very much pretty important question. We'd like to know. Once the browser is opened like this, and I'm making the browser into small. I'm making into the browser into small, like this, a very small or a big and whatever it I require. I'll show you in our like Chrome browser here, and go to the different tab view, how it is going to be represented. See, press F11 key, you will get this window. which is going to be code debugging. We can call it as options. And see here, there is an option toggle device toolbar. Press the toggle device. Now see, it's a mobile view. And a Moto G4 mobile, if you are using, it will be looks like this type of view. And if you see the changes of the mobile views, which mobile you are going to see in your view of this part. Alright, in way, Galaxy S5, based on the screen, iPhone X5, and Galaxy Fold, many of the options. And here it is on a mobile wide. If it is in a wide, it is like this. If it is in a portrait, it would be like this. Such a way you can think and search for all the things. See, this is the, once I applied responsive means, see, if I expanding, it will be still there. Okay, if I am reducing, it will be like do there. See, line also, it is going to be 2 lines. Automatically, things will happen. You need not to change based on the screen size, maybe laptop or desktop or screen, big screen or small screen. Based on the screen, like a screen size, it will automatically adjust the content and it will be present. Like you see here, I'd like to show you one good example for this. Yeah, Harisystems, we see how it is going to be making its response. See, this is the cards are here, 4 cards are going to be displayed. And I'm going to making it in a low. See, automatically it is displaying now it is in a 1 card only. The image automatically it is making it in a view. And now see, 1 by 1 cards are going to be displaying. How beauty the form. And the cards are also applied shadows. Can apply the making the beautification. And these are the cards I'll show you where we can get it. It's very easy. Very easily you will get it. See now here, that is the viewport will be taken care about to your scale of, like see content width equal to device width and initial scale equal to 1, and shrink to fit no. Okay, these are the lines very important. And also when we are applying by default applies of CSS Bootstrap only, so we are using this one. And see, we are integrating like a Bootstrap framework over here to now let's see, these are the lines are required to applying of Bootstrap framework using CDN network. All right. Once you go through it one by one, you will know all the things. This is the Bootstrap CSS. And this is the applicable JavaScript and jQuery, Popper.js and Bootstrap the things. What are going to be involving with our form, we are going to be calling. If it is not using this particular URL requirements, you can remove it. All right. That is the way we'll use it. And one more simple example I'm going to discuss with you by applying of Bootstrap cards. I'll show you. Very simple. How we the starter template we have seen right now, and go to components. One simple example I'll tell you. Later you can practice yourself. Like under the components, I'm going to selecting cards. See, about the cards means you'll see different type of cards are available here. You just go through the one by one and practice yourself. And here the image we can write, and the cards, and somewhere the button also we can apply over here. And just simply, very simply copy this line of code. Just copy it and go to this and within the down of after H1 tag and paste. Just paste the copy of the code I have pasted here. Now go to the page, save it and reload. Wow, you are seeing the code here. Very simply. If I take in one more paste of the card, you will get one more card. Image is not coming means the image is not available here. Okay. If you have given image path, automatically it will come. See, same copy I have copied again, pasted here. If I refresh, one more card you will get. And you can make it as a customize of your own text here. Very simply. And see, for this I would like to explain you very simply a complete web development 2020 bootcamp course is available in Udemy with the affordable price of offer who wants to learn very pretty interested students. And this course is having around 13 sections with 201 lectures and 19 hours of course length and the duration with the options of full lifetime access on mobile or TV, wherever you are able to accessing and viewing the internet facility, and the certificate of completion you will get it. And also free lectures are available here, you can watch it. And all the HTML5, how the tag to be involved, and CSS, how to integrate, how to use, apply. The JavaScript, what are the major aspects of the JavaScript, the mini project, if-else statements, and more. And the jQuery, what is jQuery? What is the usage of jQuery also, which is involved here? And every section is having minimum at least 2 projects with the assignments, and you will get the assignment solution and top most interview questions and answers, like a few of interview questions and answers also covered over here. And the Bootstrap, when it comes to the Bootstrap, and similarly WordPress, you will get it. It's in a content management system where you can avail of it. PHP, preprocessor hypertext. And from the scratch, you will get the advanced knowledge of all the sections. Once it is done, to create and to know about the MySQL and APIs, what is API and how to involve in our HTML form, and HTML5 special features, and Python, what is Python, how to write the Python programs by setting up your local environment, you will be known. And you will go from where you have to have a basic of bonus lecture. And you also, I'm sharing with this information with your chat box. Who are interested, try to enroll this course, and you will get lifetime free. And once it is completed, you will get completion of the certification of a web developer. By completion of this course, you will be like a front-end web development executive and UI developer, web designer, front-end developer, back-end developer. These many options and many sources are available nowadays. In advancedly, you will be made as freelancer. By acquiring the websites of the clients, you can get it websites really affordably with the ease of the help of this course. And who wants to learn and who wants to join in a group of with the interaction sessions? Yes, we are offering a course called Complete Web Development with all these sections will be covered in this particular course with a fee of around 8,999 rupees. With the offer of this course due to pandemic, through online itself it will be gone. So called it is 4,999 rupees only. And you will find what you are seeing here, like HTML, CSS, and PHP and MySQL would be basically most focusedly you will learn from these lectures. Who are very much pretty interested, just try to register over here, and we'll get back to you for more information regarding course curriculum and the information what you are going to learn about these video lectures. I hope you are able to creating very simple and very freely these websites. Hope and you'll see you and enroll of Udemy course, or you are going to be joining and in the lecture of Harisystems lectures. Hope to see you in the class. Any clarifications and any requirements to be clarified, please raise your hand and you just simply ask me through this session. Thank you for very spontaneous response from you, like Anurag and Srikant. Subscribe, the channel is provided you here, and subscribe there, and most of lectures are available here who are very much pretty interested, like who are very much interested to learn the things, new things. Just share with them. Most of the lectures are available in our YouTube channel as well. Yeah, let them try and let them learn the things themselves. They can create, like what I can simply say that, yeah, very simply just type it in Harisystems. We'll get the information over here. Yes, like these lectures, they'll get it. JavaScript project, it is there. From the basic website also, they will get it. Like you will see much more information from here. Yeah, go to the videos. See all the web development one by one, how to padding, how to making in a HTML, and how to setting up of your environment. Yes, I may not covered like few of the lectures to how to host a website in production server, which we have buy a license like domain hosting and all. You will find a Hari system channel like setting up hosting environment, FileZilla installation, and file transfer using file transfer protocol to update your site into the real-time server. All you will be covered here. All the steps, step by step, how to configure, how to do, everything is there. There is a no hidden secret to creating a for your website. Yeah, Anurag, how is going on your new life at development? Is it audible to you? Yeah. I'm not audible your voice. Is it possible you can make it as an unmute?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I thought I was from computer audio. That's why I was
Okay.
typing there. Okay. Yeah, it's going good. I'm developing, currently working on a CMS, as in
CMS.
developing a CMS.
Okay. And which
Yeah,
tool you are using to developing your applications?
Laravel,
You completely Laravel, you are transmitted.
complete, complete Laravel.
Very good, great. And which
Uh,
components
uh,
you are using in Laravel?
sorry, voice was breaking, sir.
Yeah,
What
which
was question?
components you are using? Is it completely it's going to be developing using MVC architecture?
Yeah, completely MVC architecture.
Great, great to know.
Uh,
And how is going on?
yeah, it's going good. Almost, it's already the functionality I've completed,
Okay,
and I need to repeat the functionality and use the sorting thing, as in arrange the. We are creating a website where the client will develop his own website.
okay,
So we'll give him the functionality. Most probably it will be an app, so I need to do the APIs as well as the end result.
okay.
So basically, I'm using Ajax and Laravel for this concept
Good, good, good.
mm, as of now.
I'll make a call. Just a minute. Huh? I'll complete the session and I'll
Okay,
make a call.
okay. Okay, sure.